Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. I am making some coffee today with one of my favorite, my opinion, the best drippers, the UFO, and I have the best filter for it, the Cyberist B3 filters. These filters allows you to grind a little bit more coarser than usual and have a good coffee too, a good ratio, a good flavoring coffee too. So let's bend this filter as perfectly as possible. Now they make these filters honestly already pre-cut, so you don't need to deal with all this, but these are the old ones, so let's just deal with what we have. We just place the paper filter here and then deep, and then we press it with the filter presser right there, and then holds there, because today I'm gonna present to you one of an amazing coffees that I have from Lamastus, Elida Torre Lamastus. I don't know if you can read it there, but let me zoom in and let me see if you can read it. We have Elida Torre Lamastus from Definitive Coffee Roasters. Yep. And this is a natural process, and what I'm gonna do for the today brew is gonna be 30 clicks on the Comandante, hoping that this single dose of 14 grams, I don't want to say how much it cost me anymore, guys, sorry, I don't want to share the prices because I don't want to get crazy, so I don't want to get judged by the prices and stuff, so let's just start the brew. Oh, wait a second. First we're gonna place the beans here. Wow, the packaging is amazing. This was roasted by Definitive Coffee Roasters in Tokyo, Japan. The smell is insane, and we're gonna add now 14 grams here. 14.2. Thank you for the extra 0.2. Definitive Coffee from Japan. Let's see. Wow, the coffee looks amazing. As you can see, we're gonna spray a couple drops of water, but wait, let's prepare the Comandante first. Let's make sure nothing is inside. And let me show you how to find the zero in the Comandante. Here is the zero when doesn't move, and then when you drop one click it falls. That's one. So 2, 3, 4, 5. Thirty clicks. 30 clicks in the Comandante. Spray some water here. The spray is ready, and then we're gonna add the beans. Alright guys, let's grind these beans at 30 clicks. It's very smooth grinding. Wow, the smell. Ooh. Smells so good. The notes on this should be super high intensity guava, rose apple, peach, and jackfruit. Wow! I don't know about you, I'm pumped. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see with the guava. Let's see the guava. So let's prepare the filter now, guys, with this amazing coffee dripper. I don't know about you guys, but I really love my UFO, one of my favorite coffee drippers, and I actually enjoy so much brewing with this coffee dripper. I use this tool just to make sure the paper filter sticks to the walls of the dripper. I'm pressing the filter a little bit downwards to keep it tight and close to the dripper. Okay. I think it's perfect now. Yes. Okay, guys. The moment arrived. Let me get the frozen ball. The Paragon frozen ball. And let's see the coffee beans, guys. I hope it's focused and you can actually see these grinds. Wow, the smell out of this world, out of this world. Amazing Lamastus, guys, on my favorite, probably the best coffee dripper out there right now for me, in my opinion, in my humble opinion. The recipe we're gonna use for this brew is gonna be this one. I already posted here. It's gonna be 14 grams, 5 pours, 42, 84, 126, 268, 220, 210. 30 seconds for the bloom, and then 20 to 25 seconds for each pour. Let's try that. 1:15 ratio. Coffee is ready, water is ready, Paragon frozen ball is ready, and we are ready too. So let's rock and roll, guys. Let's see this Elida Torre. All right, perfect bloom. Perfect bloom, guys. 25 seconds. We push it to 30 seconds the bloom. We have 46 grams on the scale, which is fine. And let's go. to 84. Perfect. A little bit more, 89 I put there. Then 126 or 125. $128. $168, $170. Okay, 175, a little bit more. And we finish at 210. And this filter should finish around 230. That's what I'm aiming for. 230. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last pour. Okay, 215, 217. This filter looks amazing right now, guys. Honestly, Elida Torre, Lamastus. Wow. Wow. Check that out, guys. Check that out. Check that bed. Finishing 230 right now. It's finished right now. Check that bed. Insane. Insane, guys. The smell, the drip, the I don't know what to say. I'm speechless right now, and I'm really pumped to try this coffee for you guys and share with you this experience. Elida Torre Lamastus in the best coffee dripper, UFO. Let's taste. Wow. Wow. Amazing. Amazing coffee. Amazing coffee. I wish you could taste this. Wow. Oh my god. Juice. It's a juice. Amazing, guys. Amazing. I'm going to add the Apex drops because I always brew with the low TDS water. And let me add 1 drop of each. Wow. This coffee blew my mind right now. I'm so glad I could I'm so glad I brew it amazing with the 30 clicks on the Comandante. Perfect. Okay, let's try again, guys, with the drops. Oh my god, out of this world, guys. Being able to travel and having this amazing coffee experience in every country I go literally blows my mind. This is Lamastus Elida Torre Geisha Natural from Definitive best PCB, I think the name is Panama Coffee Roasters or something like that. Panama Coffee. Wow! 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 Guys, the temperature is going lower and I taste even better this coffee. Oh my god! Oh my god! Whoa! Wow, guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me enjoy this coffee, and I hope you enjoyed this brew, and I hope to see you in my next videos. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon.